In this video, we will see how we can download and install the SQL Server Management Studio. All we have to go to the link and we will try to download. Here we can just click and download the setup. And once it is downloaded, go to your download folder and you will see the setup file over here. Just run this particular setup to download the SQL Server Management Studio, and you can modify the location where you want to install. And once you click on install, the setup will be start proceeding to install this service. So in this way, just selecting the options for the installation, you will be proceeding toward the installation of this service. This is how you can download and install.